Hi, I'm Saul, and you see here I've got 6,475 posts scheduled. Whole bunch of Twitter accounts, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and for a lot of these posts I have an image extracted from URL, and in some of them I have an image which is generated from highlighted text or the title of a page. And here you see I've got a RiteKit logo, what we start you with by default. But then, say for a different project, this is my first startup, Ideas Watch. Here, I'm using a different logo. And a different background animation. So let's look at how we set those up. Click on RiteKit, top left, Image GIF Templates. Then you can add a new style or edit one of your existing ones. If I click Add New Style, I'm going to name it test different fonts by choosing them and then previewing. I can also get the logo here from grab from site or upload. So if you have the file ready, upload. Otherwise, you can just try. Here I'll do ideaswatch.com and there you go. And it shows what it's going to look like with the on the background color until I change that. So that's where you set those up, and the way that I have different GIF templates going to different content is with Enhance, which is RiteBoost Bulk Creator, and then here is Ideas Watch, where rather than extracting image from links, I'm using different Ideas Watch templates. You can also use random, and to do that, then you're going to decide which of your templates are going to be included in random when you edit them, include or not include. So this is how you create image GIF templates. You can also start with a copy style from website, which will start you out, and then you're going to modify your colors, your fonts, and such. And of course, your image GIF templates are available to you in the RiteForge and RiteBoost browser extensions, as well as the sites.